Miles has just got the ball. Now he's coming back. He's swimming back in. Just get a close-up of Miles swimming back in. Swimming back in. Just checking everything out. Now we're just going to go. Oh yeah. He's almost at land. There he is. Coming in, coming in. Oh, now he's gonna... Oh, he's gonna go over here and shake off. He's shaking off. And now he's going to think about it.